do you think, Will? Is it good? How's your birthday?
Cake, Mom. Liking the cake.
It's all yours, kid. You getting a little bit of help from your brother?
Yeah.
Graham, what do you tell Will?
Happy birthday, Will!
Goodness, what a messy boy.
Hey, Will. Will. How's your cake, buddy? Is it good?
Baby hat.
Yeah, it's okay. It's cool.
You have a sprayer in the shower just to spray him down.
Oh yeah, absolutely. He's gonna eat a whole dunk. I don't think the sprayer's gonna do it. How's that going, Will? Graham, I think that's for your brother. Why don't you go get a cupcake for yourself?
Yeah, look at how silly he is.
But you have to have your daddy help you because you've got sand all over your hands.
Graham will bring you a cupcake, bud. Graham will play.
What do you think, Will? Hey, Will, there's cake in there too, dude.
I don't know, he doesn't really need the
Hey,
cake.
Graham, go get a cupcake, buddy.
This
Your brother
is
can eat
kind
that
of
entire
funny.
thing all by himself.
Somebody break into the cake so he knows there's cake there.
You want help? I'm afraid to get in there. I think he's doing a really good job. What color do you think his poo will be tomorrow?
I don't want to think about it.
I just need to not be shocked when I change his diaper.
Back away when she says
Blue.
Will, what do you think, dude? You having a good birthday? Okay, I think we'll stop now. Haley, there's cupcakes inside, darling.
Claire?
Will is determined.
Such intense interest.
Look at this. Oh, yeah, now you're going for it. Now you're doing it. I like it. That's the way to do it. There you go, kid. Get in there. Get in there. I like it. That's good stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's how it's done, my friend.
Katie, do you want a fork by any chance?
For him?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Look at him. He's going at her.
I think he's doing just fine on his own. Woo! Yeah, I think that needs to stay up there.
Baby! Baby dog. Happy boy.
Bye-bye.